Your AI agents are communicating to each other. But are they really communicating effectively? If your enterprise is using outdated API gateways, the answer is probably no. Let us change that. Hi, this is Murli Dulam, founder of ITS Code Private Limited, architect, trainer in the area of DevSecOps, Azure, AWS, Kubernetes with AI, ML, IoT integration. Till now, I have trained more than 5,000 plus students and 1,000 plus students working with top MNCs. Previous videos, we discussed about MCP, Model Context Protocol, how to connect data sources we observed. Other video, we discussed about Google A2A, agent-to-agent communication we discussed. Today's video, let us see why we need new gateway for our AI agents. Let us see that. AI Agent Gateway, future of digital conversations. So with the help of AI Agent Gateway, we can set up cross-platform communication as well as unified customer experience. So first, let us see AI agents. So here you can see Sarah, while preparing food, she is trying to perform some other tasks. She is updating some groceries. Also, she is planning to set up some meetings and all things in one go. And similar way, James is planning some vacation. So he need to book some flight ticket as well as he need to book some hotel and some other food related things, all things in one go. Similar way, some other office activities as well. These are all things we can perform with our AI agents. Okay. So communicating with one agent to other agent. And then now let us see. So while communicating agent to agent, so there are some barriers. Now let us see some example here. So here you can see different groups are there, each group related to specific language. Now they're trying to communicate with each other, right? So they may face some challenges. Similar way, our agents also, AI agents, right? So with the help of AI agent gateway approach, right? So one gateway connects all AI systems. So now let us see other scenarios. So MCP, so Model Context Protocol. So this model context protocol, with the help of model context protocol, we can connect LLMs to different tools or data sources you can see. And similar way, you can see A2A agent, collaborating multiple agents. So here we can achieve state management as well as long running tasks. Also assigning specific tasks to specific agents. These are all things we can achieve with our A2A agents. Now, so here let us try to observe gateways as well. Traditional gateways first, let us try to observe. Okay. So now let us see. Our traditional gateways or reverse proxies, it won't fulfill complete needs of our A2A as well as MCP. First, let us try to understand what is API gateway. Similar way, reverse proxy as well. So here you can see API gateway, the person who knows complete departments and handles which request to send which department. You can imagine that. Whenever user are sending some request and here where to send this request, whether it is inventory, payment, and different scenarios. Okay. Similar way, reverse proxy you can send. So how to distribute the traffic with multiple backend servers. So you can say reverse proxy. So these are all things you can see. Examples like API gateway, Amazon API, Azure API management, as well as Kong, you can say these are all examples. And similar way, you can see Nginx, HA proxy, as well as Cloudflare, so many tools are there. These are all traditional API gateways you can see. Now next. So just now we discussed traditional API gateways, it won't fulfill complete needs of our MCP as well as A2A. These are all challenges you can see. Security and as well as vulnerabilities. Authentication, authorization. So while agents are interacting, who are all going to access and which resources they are accessing. And also while working with shared environment, there is a data leakage issues as well. And also let us see more detailed way. Connection problems. So it may create some slowness, slow performance, like connection, create bottlenecks, like while handling individual connections. And also just now we discussed like multiple access points while handling multiple access points. So we may face some data protection issues as well. Okay. Now, next. So with the help of AA Agent Gateway, one AA Agent Gateway to connect all AA systems to simplify and streamline security issues. Now let us try to summarize the point. Now let us try to compare traditional API gateway and AA Agent Gateway. Traditional API Agent Gateway, why it is failing with agents? It is a stateless. Traditional API gateway, it is a stateless. AA Agent Gateway, it supports stateful, so that we can keep a track of all agent conversations. And coming to the support related to MCP as well as A2A. A traditional API gateways, it won't completely support MCP as well as A2A. Coming to the agent gateway, it supports MCP as well as A2A protocol. And there are some security gaps related to traditional API gateway. Right? So, related to identity. So, but here, AA Agent Gateway, we can set up role-based access controls as well as we can have an auditing process also. Also, we can scale thousands of agents without any security issues as well. So, in this way, we can observe the scenarios as well. Solo.io recently built data plane called Agent Gateway, which interacts agents as well as LLMs, MCP, A2A protocols. Till now, we discussed about why we need new gateway for agentic AI systems. Please see the documentation below. If you like this video, please share it and see you in the next video.